between different paradigms, communist paradigm, neoliberal paradigm, paradigm of Ukrainian independence, etc. All these paradigms put on the ground different signs like monuments, administrative buildings, public places, maybe these signs can be huge skyscrapers inside the historical heritage center. So all these conflicts, we decided to create online living catalog, culture of war. This online living catalog should create the database in this catalog, and this catalog is only pilot project. It can be established information about this place of conflict, place of contention, contesting, place where cultural war occurs. Nowadays, in the time of war, many historical places are being destroyed by Russian weapons. So it's about cultural war or contesting, documentation this physical signs of ideology, nowadays transformation of space, of symbolic space in Ukraine and beyond. The creation of this online archive or repository of places of cultural contesting should be provided by individuals. It can be, for example, students. It can be local NGO representatives. It can be business representatives. And the question is how they feel this particular monument or particular place. Is it useful? Should be, must be it destroyed, or what another symbol should be put instead? The technical issues consist of creation of geodatabases, by different contributors, different stakeholders who are interested in cataloging and putting on a map all these different place of conflict, place of symbolic representation of culture in space. As a result, this online catalog later should give us possibility of multidimensional analysis and interpretation. I thank you all contributors, Carlis, Kostya, Barbara, Alexander, Liliana, Lyudmila, for support, and I ask everybody to join our initiative. If you have some ideas or questions or maybe critics, here is my mail. You're welcome. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you so much.